Hi, my name is Max and I've been performing magic since 2005. I'm also the instructor for You Can Present with Magic. Now watch. And again. There you go. There. Thank you. So allow me to just share a little bit about the workshop. Number one, it's about the magic itself. So magic which I'm going to teach you does not require you to buy or build any special props or complicated gimmicks. In fact, they all use everyday objects, things you can easily find around you. Okay? And you also don't need to learn complicated sleight of hand. The magic which you are going to learn are very easy to do, very easy to pull off, but at the same time, they are amazing. And that's not all. For the second part, besides magic, you also learned about presentation skills, which to me is the real secret of magic. For example, how do you tell a story with magic? What topics or subject do you want your magic is about? In fact, there's a saying that goes that magic is actually 90% theater, performance and showmanship, and 10% secret. And that goes to show a lot, right? And these are the things that you will also be learning. So join me and discover that you too can present with magic. Hope to see you soon. Bye.